Okay. Okay, hello everybody. Today we are doing math lesson 15 and we are going to be learning about patterns. It's going to be very easy. So let's get started. So first thing I want you guys to do is please get your math book. This one. Please get your math book. Math books. Yes, very good. And we are on page, I cannot remember. Let's have a look. We are on page, what page are we on? Page 31. Page 31. Okay, let's have a look at page 31. Okay, so I want everybody to have a look at your page. So this is a pattern using different shapes or solids. So if you have a look, we have two shapes. So we have the square, circle, and then goes again, square, circle, square, circle. So this is our first pattern. So our first pattern is square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. Okay, let's look at our next pattern. Our next pattern has three shapes. So we have a long rectangle, then we have a medium rectangle, then we have a short rectangle. And that repeats 3 times. Can you see? So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one uses 3 shapes. The one at the top uses 2 shapes. And then our other example of a pattern, which is at the bottom, which are cones, we have colors. So we have different colors. Can you see the different colors? Our colors are blue, orange, blue, orange. So our cone pattern is blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange. Okay, so these are our patterns. So let's look at the exercise on page 31. Let's have a look at our exercise. So it says we need to fill in the missing shape. Fill in the missing shape. So let's look at A. So A, we have a square, triangle, circle. I'll go over it again. We have square, triangle, circle. Okay, let's look at our next 3. Our next 3, we have square, triangle, and something's missing. So we look back here. So it goes square, triangle, circle. So our answer is going to be square, triangle, circle. So I'd like you to please draw a circle for A. I want you to draw a circle. So I'll go over our pattern again. So our pattern is square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. Nice and easy. Okay, so let's look at B. B goes cone, circle, circle. One more time, cone, circle, circle. So our next one is going to be cone, circle, circle. So our last pattern, it needs to start with a cone. So we have cone, circle, circle, cone, circle, circle. So the next pattern is also got to be cone, circle, circle. So I'd like you to draw a cone, please. Nice and easy. Okay, so I'll go over the last pattern again. So pattern B was cone, circle, circle, cone, circle, circle, cone, circle. Okay, let's move on. Next, I'd like you to please get your workbook. That's all for our textbook. Workbook, please, everybody. Okay, yes. In our workbook, we are going to be going to page 28, I believe. Let's have a look. Page 28. Please go to page 28, 28, page 28. Okay. Let's have a look. On page 28, it says matching patterns. Look at the patterns, circle what comes next. So let's look in our block first. In our block, we have a circle and a square. A circle and a square. Let's look at our pattern. So our pattern goes square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. I'll go over it again. So we have square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. So what do you think comes next, students? A circle or a square? So our pattern is square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, which means our next shape is going to be the square. So please circle square. Next one, we're going to look at B. So in B, we have a medium rectangle, a tall rectangle, and a short rectangle. And you see the different sizes. So let's go over our pattern. So our pattern goes medium rectangle, tall rectangle, small rectangle. Medium rectangle, tall rectangle, small rectangle. And our next pattern goes medium rectangle, tall rectangle. What is it missing? Ooh. It is missing the small rectangle. So I'd like you to circle small rectangle. So it goes medium rectangle, tall rectangle, small rectangle. So please circle the small rectangle. Very good, everybody. Okay. Let's move on to our next page. Our next page is going to be page... Oh, wait, we're still on page 28. Sorry, students, we're still on page 28. My apologies. So we're going to do C. Let's have a look at C. So C, we have a small gray triangle, and then a tall gray triangle, and then a small dark gray. So over here we have two different colors. We have gray and dark gray. And in our box we have tall gray triangle, small gray triangle, and then a dark gray triangle. So let's go over our pattern. So we have small gray triangle, tall gray triangle, and then a small dark gray triangle. So let's go for our next one. Our next one is small gray triangle, tall gray triangle, and then a small dark gray triangle. So our next shape needs to be the small gray triangle. So I'd like you to circle the small gray triangle. So please circle. Okay. Let's move on to our next page. Our next page is going to be page, there we go, page 29. Page 29. Okay, are we ready? So on page 29, it says, draw the missing shape to complete the pattern. So let's look at our pattern. Our pattern is, it's a big pattern. So we have triangle, square, circle, circle, square. I'll go over it one more time. So triangle, square, circle, circle, square. On this side, we have triangle, circle, circle, square. Our missing shape is a square. So I'd like you to please draw a square. Please draw a square. Okay, so students, for number 3, I'd like you to get your colors because we're going to have to color in. So please get your color pencils. I'll give you a few minutes to grab your color pencils. We're going to color. Okay. Okay, so number 3 says, using 2 or 3 colors, color the circles to form a pattern. So we're going to use a pattern using colors. Now I chose 3 colors. So let's have a look. So my first color was yellow. My next one, green. And then my last one, blue. So my pattern is yellow, green, blue. Yellow, green, blue. Okay, so then you go to the next 3 and you color in yellow, green, blue. Yellow, green, blue. So it repeats. So yellow, green, blue. Yellow, green, blue. And then the last 3 must also be yellow, green, blue. Yellow, green, blue. Okay, I'll wait for everyone to finish coloring. Okay, students, when you're finished, I would like you to show me your patterns when you are finished. When you are finished, show me. I want to see. Oh, I like your pattern. Very good, Min. Very good, everybody. Yes, it's good. Let's have a look at everybody else's patterns. Oh, very nice, very nice. Very good, Rain. Let's see your patterns best. Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, let's wait for everyone to finish coloring. Yes, very good, everybody. Yes, good job, good job. I can see everybody. That's good. Okay, we're gonna wait a bit longer for everyone to finish. Okay, I believe everyone is finished. So this lesson went by very quickly, so I'm quickly going to open up another lesson for us to do. So let me close that. I'm going to close that, close that. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to look at Tuesday's lesson. Okay. I'm gonna stop the share. There we go. Okay, I'm quickly going to share another PowerPoint, so bear with me. Okay. Ooh. Can everyone see? Yes. Yes, I think everyone can see. Okay, so I want us to go back to this book, our math book, please. Quickly gonna go jump back to this book, please. Yes, very good. So I want you to go to this book, and I want us to please go to page 34. Page 34. Okay, is everyone on page 34? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. So let's have a look at page 34. Page 34 looks like this. This book, page 34. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so page 34. So first things, they want us to name the shapes. So let's name our shapes quickly. So we have a circle, rectangle, triangle, square, square, triangle, circle, and rectangle. So A says, which of these shapes only have straight sides? So remember our straight sides. Does a circle have a straight side? No. Does a square have a straight side? Yes. So we need to write down the letters. So our letters will be B, because B has straight sides, C, D, E, F, and H. So I'll make it appear at the bottom. So I'd like you to write down these letters, please. So B, our rectangle B has straight sides. C, our triangle has straight sides. D, our square has straight sides. E, our square has straight sides. F, for our triangle has straight sides. And H for our rectangle, because our rectangle has straight sides. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 shapes with straight sides. So please write down your letters. B, C, D, E, F, and H. Okay, let's look at B, exercise B. Which of these shapes only have a curved side? curved sides. Remember, curved sides are the circles. So we have A and G. So I'd like you to write A for our circle and G for the circle. So A and G. Please write A and G. Okay, then our last one, C. Which of these shapes have curved and straight sides? So it needs to have a curve, like a circle, curved, and straight like a rectangle. Do any of these shapes have a curved and a straight side? No. So we're going to write none, which is N-O-N-E. So one more time, N-O-N-E. Okay, students, we're going to end there today. We're going to finish there. I'll wait a bit more. I still see students writing. I'm going to wait a bit. Give everybody a few more minutes to finish. Oh, very good, Min. I see. Very good. Good job, Min. Let me see, Rain. Very good, Rain. Okay, I believe everyone is finished. So we are going to stop there. So thank you, everybody. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.